Did you know small issues like water leaks, rusty battery terminals, sticky windows, and squeaky doors can quietly cost drivers over $1,500 a year in unnecessary repairs? And the crazy part is, many mechanics use simple wax-based tricks behind the scenes to temporarily protect parts, stop corrosion, and prevent expensive damage before it starts. Today, we are talking about one of the cheapest car maintenance secrets hiding in your house right now. Candle wax. Yes, the same candle wax sitting in your kitchen drawer can actually help protect your car from rust, water damage, electrical problems, and worn-out components. Let's dive in. Trick number 11. Prevent rust on small scratches. Rust repair is one of the most expensive cosmetic problems car owners face today. According to collision repair estimates, fixing advanced rust damage can cost anywhere from $500 to over $5,000. And the scary part is that rust often starts from something tiny, a simple paint chip or scratch that exposes bare metal to moisture. In snowy regions where road salt is used heavily, corrosion can spread at an alarming rate. This is where candle wax can act as a temporary emergency shield. If you notice exposed metal but can't repair the paint immediately, rubbing plain candle wax over the scratch helps block moisture, road salt, and oxygen from contacting the bare metal. The wax creates a temporary seal that slows oxidation until proper touch-up paint or professional repair can be done. To perform this hack, follow these steps. Step 1. Wash and dry the damaged area completely, because dirt trapped under the wax can hold moisture against the metal, which defeats the purpose. Step 2. Now gently rub a white paraffin candle over the exposed area until a thin protective layer forms. When you realize that a tiny, untreated scratch can eventually lead to thousands in body repair costs, protecting it temporarily with a 50-cent candle suddenly sounds incredibly smart. Trick number 10. Quiet door hinges and squeaks. Squeaky doors may sound like a small annoyance, but they are often the first warning sign that metal components are grinding against each other without proper lubrication. According to repair shop data, neglected door hinges can eventually wear unevenly, which may cause alignment issues that make doors sag or fail to close properly. On luxury vehicles, hinge repairs and door alignment corrections can easily exceed $400 to $800 because modern doors contain wiring, sensors, and heavy reinforcement beams. Most people immediately grab oily sprays like WD-40 when they hear squeaks, but those products attract dust and dirt over time. Eventually, the oily residue turns into sticky grime that actually increases wear. Candle wax works differently because it acts as a dry lubricant. To use candle wax for your door hinges, first open the door fully and rub candle wax directly onto the hinge joints and moving pivot areas. Then slowly open and close the door several times so the wax spreads evenly inside the hinge mechanism. You will often notice the squeaking disappears almost instantly. This trick also works on hood latches, trunk hinges, glove box hinges, and seat tracks. Trick number 9. Waterproof weather stripping. Most people don't realize that damaged weather stripping is one of the leading causes of water leaks inside vehicles. Once rubber seals dry out and crack, rainwater slowly enters the cabin and can damage carpets, electronics, sensors, and wiring hidden underneath the floor. In many modern vehicles, water intrusion repairs can easily exceed $1,000 because technicians must remove interior panels, carpets, and electrical components to locate the leak. But here, candle wax works as a lifesaver. Candle wax can help slow this process by protecting and conditioning the rubber seals around doors, trunks, and windows. To use this hack properly, first, wipe your car's weather stripping clean using a damp microfiber towel first. After drying the rubber, lightly rub a plain white candle along the entire seal surface. Then, use a clean cloth to spread the wax evenly and remove excess buildup. When lightly rubbed onto weather stripping, the wax forms a thin, water-resistant barrier that helps repel moisture while reducing friction between the rubber and metal surfaces. This trick becomes especially useful during winter when doors freeze shut. Trick number 8. Stop battery terminal corrosion. Battery corrosion is one of the most overlooked causes of starting problems in modern vehicles. Automotive technicians estimate that nearly 1 out of every 4 battery failures is related to poor terminal connections rather than the battery itself. When corrosion builds up around the terminals, electrical resistance increases dramatically. That forces the starter motor and alternator to work harder every single time you start the engine. Over time, this extra strain shortens the lifespan of expensive electrical components and can even lead to random warning lights, slow cranking, or complete no-start situations. This is where candle wax becomes surprisingly useful. First, disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Now clean the terminals with baking soda and a wire brush. Then gently rub candle wax around the outside of the terminal connection areas. You do not need thick layers. A thin, protective coating works best. The wax creates a moisture-resistant barrier that slows oxidation and prevents acid vapors from attacking the metal. Considering a modern AGM battery can cost between $250 and $500, but preventing premature failure with a cheap candle is honestly one of the smartest preventative maintenance tricks you can use. Trick number 6. Restore faded headlights. Foggy headlights are more than just an ugly cosmetic problem. They are a major safety issue. According to road safety studies, oxidized headlights can reduce nighttime visibility by more than 70%. That dramatically increases the risk of accidents during rain or nighttime driving. Most headlights become cloudy because UV rays slowly oxidize the plastic outer lens. As the surface becomes rough and faded, light scatters instead of projecting clearly onto the road. And replacing a headlight can cost you anywhere from $300 to over $1,500. But here, candle wax works as a lifesaver. To perform this hack correctly, first clean the headlights thoroughly using soap and water. Now, dry them completely. Then rub a plain white candle lightly across the lens surface. Afterward, buff the lens using a clean microfiber cloth until the wax becomes clear and evenly spread. When lightly buffed onto the headlight lens, it also creates a thin protective layer that repels water and adds some visual shine to dull plastic surfaces. This trick works best on mildly oxidized headlights rather than severely yellowed ones. Trick number 5. Seal small windshield chips. A tiny windshield chip may not seem like a big deal at first, but studies show temperature changes and road vibrations can quickly turn small chips into massive cracks. Once a crack spreads across the driver's line of sight, replacement becomes unavoidable. Candle wax can help act as a temporary emergency seal for very small windshield chips until professional repair is possible. By gently rubbing wax over the damaged area. To perform this trick safely, clean the area gently with a microfiber cloth first. Then lightly rub plain clear or white candle wax over the chip until it fills the surface opening temporarily. Don't press aggressively because excess pressure may worsen the crack. This trick is especially useful during rainy weather or long road trips where you may not have immediate access to windshield repair services. Trick number 4. Restore sticking windows. Slow power windows are one of the most common problems in aging vehicles. But surprisingly, the issue often is not the window motor itself. In many cases, excessive friction inside the rubber window channels forces the motor to work much harder than necessary. Over time, this constant strain overheats the regulator and motor assembly. Replacing a power window regulator can easily cost between $300 and $900. But candle wax can significantly reduce this friction. To perform this trick, lower the window fully and clean the rubber channels using a microfiber cloth. Dirt trapped inside the tracks acts like sandpaper against the glass. Then cycle the window up and down several times so the wax spreads evenly throughout the track. One major advantage of wax over oil sprays is cleanliness, eventually creating sticky buildup that worsens the problem. Wax acts as a dry lubricant, so it keeps the channels smoother without creating messy residue. Trick number 3. Fix dashboard rattles. Dashboard rattles are one of the most annoying noises drivers deal with, especially in older vehicles. Studies from automotive customer satisfaction surveys show interior rattles are among the top complaints drivers have as vehicles age. What starts as a tiny vibration can eventually become a constant buzzing noise every time you hit rough roads. Most rattles happen because plastic panels rub against each other repeatedly. That creates tiny gaps where vibration occurs. But here, Candle wax offers a surprisingly effective solution. First, identify where the noise is coming from by gently pressing different dashboard sections while driving. Once located, apply a small amount of candle wax along the rubbing edges or between trim gaps. Now, use a microfiber cloth afterward to spread the wax evenly and avoid visible residue. Here, the wax acts like a dry anti-friction layer that quiets squeaks and rattles without making a greasy mess. This hack works especially well around glove boxes, center consoles, door panels, and plastic trim near the windshield, where expansion and contraction from heat constantly create movement. Trick number 2. For smoother seatbelt operation. A slow or sticky seatbelt might seem harmless, but it's often a sign of friction buildup inside the belt guides or retractors. Over time, dust, moisture, and worn plastic surfaces create drag that prevents the seatbelt from retracting smoothly. Drivers often slam the belt into the door accidentally because it doesn't retract properly, which can damage both the belt and interior trim. Replacing modern seatbelt assemblies can be shockingly expensive. In some vehicles, a seatbelt replacement can cost $500 to over $1,000 once labor and calibration are included. A small amount of candle wax can help reduce friction where the seatbelt slides through plastic guides. Rub a little wax onto a cloth and gently wipe the edges of the plastic guide where the belt moves. This helps the belt glide more smoothly while reducing squeaking noises and resistance. But don't apply wax directly onto the seatbelt fabric itself, because that could attract dirt or interfere with the belt material over time. Trick number 1. Prevent rubber floor mats from sliding. Loose floor mats may seem harmless, but they can actually become dangerous if they slide underneath the pedals. There have even been major recalls in the automotive industry linked to floor mats interfering with accelerator pedals. A mat that constantly shifts around also wears out faster and damages the carpet underneath through friction. Candle wax can help improve grip between the mat and carpet surface. To perform this trick, remove the floor mat and clean the underside thoroughly. Avoid coating the entire mat because excessive wax may reduce effectiveness. After reinstalling the mat, press it firmly into the carpet and check that it sits flat. The increased friction often becomes noticeable immediately, especially during entry and exit when mats tend to shift the most. So, there you have it. Simple candle wax can actually help protect your car from corrosion, squeaks, stuck windows, water leaks, and seized bolts before those tiny problems become massive repair bills. And honestly, it's crazy how many drivers spend thousands fixing problems that could have been prevented with just a few minutes of basic maintenance. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more powerful car hacks, mechanic secrets, and money-saving maintenance tips.